Receiving ensures the correct model enters the controlled production flow.
Incoming inspection screens for visible defects before assembly.
Hitting balances the line and reduces assembly errors.
E-stop tested good, and the flow is steady now. Agreed. We are ready for the production run.
Correct torque prevents housing damage and ensures durability.
Proper fixturing ensures consistent part alignment.
Okay, team, focus on the new takt time here and ensure we are all aligned on revision 4.2.
Is the change implemented on the line yet?
Yes, it was fully updated last night.
The measurements are stable. All parameters are within tolerance. Approved.
With approval complete, the line transitions to normal production.
Kit checks prevent missing components during the assembly.
Accurate positioning establishes the base for all downstream assemblies. HEPA yoke design ensures the motor is installed correctly. Controlled torque secures the motor without stressing the housing.
Positive connector engagement ensures reliable power delivery.
Early checks catch wiring issues before enclosure closure.
Shell alignment protects internal components during closure. Automated fastening ensures consistency across all units.
Buffer zones stabilize flow and maintain unit traceability.
Secure locking prevents power loss during operation.
Electrical safety tests verify insulation and grounding integrity.
Automated routing separates conforming and suspect units immediately.
Correct attachment ensures effective floor contact and debris pickup.
Vision checks confirm proper mechanical engagement. The wand completes the primary airflow path.
Seal checks ensure suction efficiency.
Accessory mounts improve usability without affecting core function.
Early noise checks detect imbalance before full testing. Calibration ensures accurate debris detection. Successful retest authorizes the unit back into production.
Performance testing verifies suction meets specification.
Monitoring load and temperature ensures reliable operation.
Labeling finalizes traceability and compliance.
Form trays protect the product during transport.
Documentation supports safe and correct product use.
Sealing and coating secure and identify the finished product.
Conveyance transfers finished units to bulk packing. Weight checks detect missing or extra units.
Corrugated waste is segregated for recycling.
Reusable packaging reduces waste and cost.
Proper pallet patterns ensure load stability.
Consistent stacking protects cartons during transport.
Wrapping stabilizes the pallet for handling.
Racked storage protects finished goods until shipment.
Organized storage supports efficient order fulfillment. Marshalling organizes pallets by shipment. Controlled loading protects products during transport.
Seals and documents secure the shipment for transit.
Everything looks correct here. Seal is intact. You are good to go, Maria.
Metal scrap segregation. Metal scrap is separated for responsible recycling.
Plastic waste is controlled and tracked for disposal or reprocessing.
Clear segregation supports compliant waste disposal.
Certified partners ensure recycled materials are handled responsibly.
Okay, so the weight here matches the manifest for the cardboard. Yes.
Yes, everything seems correct. Sign here.
Controlled disposal prevents environmental contamination.
An idle line reflects controlled shutdown after completed operations. Calibration control sustains measurement accuracy.
Metric review drives continuous improvement.
Energy controls reduce waste during idle periods. The facility stands ready for the next production cycle.
Security checks protect inventory and ensure safety compliance. Environmental control preserves product condition.
Archiving records maintains traceability and compliance. A controlled shutdown marks the end of the production cycle.
Inventory reconciliation prevents shortages and overstock.
Error-proofing checks maintain readiness for the next shift.
Feedback from returns feeds continuous improvement.
Formal approval controls how changes enter production.
Clear revisions keep operators aligned to the latest standards. As you can see on the tablet, Step 3 has changed. Ensure the wire harness clicks securely into place before proceeding to the diagnostic test.
Preparation ensures a smooth restart for the next lot. EHS sign-off confers safe and compliant operations. Utility checks ensure stable conditions for the next shift.
Control, all zones confirmed secure. Level 1.
A quiet exterior signals completed daily operations.
The production cycle concludes in a controlled state.
Archive documents complete the shipment record.
Cleaning maintains safety and material handling efficiency. Pallet sorting supports reuse and safe handling. Charged equipment ensures readiness for operations. A reset facility signals readiness for the next production cycle.
Material checks prevent interruptions in future packout.
Proper staging ensures compliant waste removal.
Summaries provide a complete view of plant performance.
Securing the site completes the operational day.
System locks confirm the facility is fully secured.
Perimeter controls protect the site overnight. Powered down equipment marks the end of operations.
The plant rests between production cycles. The production cycle concludes in a stable, controlled state.
Automated lighting reduces energy use while maintaining safety.
Baseline monitoring protects products and infrastructure.
Continuous surveillance maintains site security.
Secured docks prevent unauthorized access. The manufacturing cycle ends with the facility fully secured.